Alright, so we're here and we're here for one reason, to go through this. So, we got a quite a big one here. Don't know how it's looking. Yeah, don't know that one. Right, so we got a Ford New Holland looks by the looks of it. And it's a good tractor. Here we have a Merhill. It's a bit of rough. Yeah, paint definitely. It's kind of. Well, it's a Merhill. A Merhill is a Merhill. We have the county. It's county 1274. Very nice tractor. Actually, the 1274 county is one of my most favorite tractors. Here we have some old Ford by the looks of it. And I think cabless and very nice paint. That's Ford. Here we have a lovely, by the looks of it, an apple picking tractor. Very lovely machine. Cab open there. Looks like you can close it off though. Very, very lovely looking machine. A Merhill 121. Yeah, it's about the same tractor. This one does not have Ford parts. So, yeah, that's a plus. Back end looks good. Row crop Nuffield. Don't see many of those. Yeah. Oh, look, it's like I got a little bit thing. I have a Nuffield, but not a row crop one. All got some weights, I guess. Back end looks good. And here we got what is this thing? Probably some sort of Ford, I'm guessing. I have no clue what this one is. It looks like a John Deere, but it's not a John Deere. Looks like we got another tractor. It's called a Roadless. Well, it says Roadless on the front. We got industrial little Massey 40. It's industrial. Look what we got on the back. We got another Massey on the back. And we got a whole little Massey thing. Another Massey 40 inside and all. Next up we got a 175. Yeah, 175. Looks real good with the red. Oh, in the back it's an open cab. Wow. Yeah, wasn't expecting that. And yeah, very lovely tractor here. Now we got a 165. Very nice. Open at the back too. I think this is from the same guy. Yeah, but they don't have the wheel weights. Next we've got the Massey Ferguson 158. I think this is. Not too sure. It's a little cabless tractor. Very nice tractor. And I hope whoever has this tractor enjoys her. It's not a real tractor show without a 35. We have the Massey 35. The Massey system. Very nice tractor. Boys, it might be a Fordson tractor. And quite an old model. I thought, yeah, they're quite an old. Yeah. Here we have one of the newest Nuffields they made. That's like the newest Nuffield. I think newest Nuffield. Very good looking too. Another Massey 165 this time. We've got a weight and all. Very good. I think we got a Ford Major. This is good. Here we got a dump truck looking thing. It's a dump truck. Guess that's all I gotta say. It is a good looking one, but it does have a lot of paint. It's like my trailer, I guess. Ford 5000. This is a tractor that you have to have if you're a vintage collector. We got the 3000. Even better. Leyland. Even better. We got a Leyland. It's like we got a Super Major. Very nice. Got a Massey 230, I think. I never knew much about it. We got a Leyland. Got a bad tractor. Got a cab too. And the back is sealed in. I thought we had a 685, but it's just another 35. Fine, but you gotta get a 65 in here. Nuffield. Very nice. Like the Nuffield, but it's far too red. Field Marshal. Never thought I would see one of these. It's quite really old. Fergie 35. I love this tractor. Got a Davy Bryan. Very nice. Fergie 35. Another really nice tractor. Nuffield 465. 324. Oh, and that's some damage. Tractor 35X. We got Nuffield, and it's ready to go. Getting bigger. We got a 220. 40. I think. Alright, we got a little old tractor. I think this is like a tow carrier. Fergie. Very nice. McCormick. We haven't seen a McCormick yet, guys. Davy Bryan. Oh. Ford 3000. Fordson Dexter. Some sort of international. An international. McCormick International. This is McCormick. Ford Super Major. Fordson Major. Tractor with a loader. Overhead loader. Very nice Fergie here. I don't see many of them. This is probably like a 35 model. Another Field Marshal. Here we have a kept-on trailer. Fergie. Fergie. The International is born. Fergie. One start Fergie. Farm Hall. I don't see many of them. You know that little loader, but with a bucket. Let's go. Alice Chalmers. Lovely little Fordson Major. Not bad a Fergie.